Okay, you should be on Math Journal 183, page 183, um, or slide 2. This is for slide 2 on your, if you're online. Um, this is our math message today, and we're going to be looking at this word problem and trying to make sense of it. So there are 10 children on Maurice's baseball team. The coach gives each child 2 granola bars from the package of 24 bars. The coach gets the leftover granola bars. How many granola bars does Maurice's coach get? What do you do to find out? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out the important things and I'm just going to kind of highlight the important stuff that's going on here. So the first thing is, what do we know? We know that there are 10 children. We know that the coach gives each child two granola bars, and there are 24 bars. So we started with 24, and there are 10 kids on the team, and each child is going to get 2. Then that's not the question. The question is how many is left over. So whatever's left over is going to go to the coach. How much does the coach get? That's what we're trying to find out. So now we're going to try to think of how we're going to get this. So one of the things you can do, now we're going to make a plan, or let's draw pictures. Pictures always seem to help when we are trying to figure out a problem. So I'm going to just make circles for the kids because I'm not a good drawer. So these are the children, and there are 10 children. And if you are on the journal page, you can see that underneath on that page there is a lot of space to draw because they want you to figure it out with drawings and scribblings or trying to figure it out. You don't have to erase. It's okay. We want to see how you get your problem, how you solve it. So I am making 10 children. Here they are. And over here we have 24 granola bars. We know that there are 24, right? 24 granola bars is how many we're starting with. Now each child is going to get 2. So I'm just going to put the 2, 2, 2, 2. You get 2 and you get 2 and you get 2 and this person gets 2, this kid gets 2, this person gets 2. 2 and 2. Now we can count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and count by twos. Or we can think, that's like 2 times 10. So what is 2 times 10? Well, we can count by twos 10 times, or we can count by tens 2 times. So hopefully you've figured it out by now. There is 20. 2 times 10 is 20, so all those granola bars have been given out. Now, we had 24 over here, and he gave away 20 to the kids. So how many is left? Well, leftovers, we are going to subtract. So we are going to take, and we're going to say 24 minus 20. And you know, I have told kids many times it's easier if you write the numbers up and down. It's easier to figure it out if you go up and down instead of sideways. So 4 minus 0 is 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is the coach gets 4 granola bars because there are 4 left over. That is how we figured out our problem. Now, you are going to go to the next slide or to uh, which is if your teacher gave you a piece of paper, it would be on Math Masters 178 and 179. And if you're online, you're going to go to slide 3. And we're going to talk about the instructions for the next part of your math lesson.